KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. All right, hello viewer, KG Auto. We're here again to save you time, money, and headache. That's the reason why I'm doing this video. I didn't really want to video this, but I just wanted to explain something to you guys that will save you some time, money, and headache if you follow what I'm saying. Okay, so when you look at this starter, right, I'm going to bring you guys, this vehicle is a 2014. The starter is underneath the car. I believe from 2013 to 17, the starter is under the manifold there. I'll bring you guys and show you where the starter is and how we're going to take it out. But that's not where I'm going with the story. This starter was changed
7 months ago.
about 7 months ago. As you can hear the owner speaking behind me. So this starter, when you look at this starter, I believe you guys, anybody who changed starter at the time, when you see this STOP, you know who that starter belongs to. I don't want to mention the name so not to, spoil anybody's business, but I believe some of you know. So anytime you put in a starter in a vehicle, I always advise, try to put the best. The reason why, you're going to be starting your car every time. You start it all the time. So if you put something there that is not good, the starter might last about 7 months, 8 months, 9 months. Now you have a problem. Back again to change the starter. That's what I'm trying to advise you. So he changed it before, but now we're going to put Bosch. This is the part number. When you put good starter in your vehicle, Bosch is a good brand, and Denso is a good brand. I use that a lot, especially in Toyota Camry. Any Toyota product, I use that a lot. It will save you so that you don't have to, because sometimes if you want to go cheap, right, here's the kicker, right? You go cheap, you buy the starter, but now you're paying for labor twice, except you're doing it by yourself. Because when you go cheap, you buy the starter, then the mechanic change it for you. 6 or 7 months down the line, we're back again. Even if it's a lifetime warranty, you're wasting time. So it's better you just buy a good one that can last you a couple of years. Nothing is made for last forever. At least if starter lasts you 5, 6, 7 years, I mean, maybe by then you already give away the car already. So this starter, right, is underneath the car just like so, right? So there is 2 bolts holding this starter. This one, this extension bolt, is on top like so, and this one is at the bottom just like that. And there is a connecting pin that is coming here. So as you can see, this starter, what happened to this starter, obviously, this little guy here broke from inside here. And you know the wire that is coming from the battery that is going to the starter, without that, the car cannot start. So that's why this car was having problem. So I haven't said that anyway, so we're gonna go underneath. Before you do this job, make sure you disconnect your battery. Don't say I didn't tell you that, so you don't blow up yourself. So this is the new starter. I'll show you what it looks like. I just changed mine from my own vehicle the other day, but I bought it from, you just have one pin. See, if you look at this, you can see there is a whole different, the way they look, right? Anyway, that's that. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Now I haven't said that we're going to go on down in the vehicle and show you how we're going to take out the starter and how we're going to install the new one. Stay tuned, KG. We'll be right back. So if you look under this, you see this is the starter right here. So this cable is what you have to undo. There's a boot covering this nut that is going in here. So this is the bolt. See this bolt right here? You have to undo this bolt. I already lose that. You take that out just like so. then to save time. Then when you come up here, you're gonna look up the way down here. There's another boat right here. Sorry if I'm blocking the video. And this is the long boat. You take that one out. Then there's this pin going on the starter. After you have loaded this, there's this pin going on the starter. I'll show you this pin. You have to undo that pin there just by pressing this board like so. Then once you do that, then you drag out the starter. Just like so. See? That's it. Give me the new one. Okay. So the new one is about to go in. Please bear with me. The shaking camera and all of that. All right, stay tuned. When I'm not working, I like to look nice, bro. Because that's what I work for, brother. All right, so the starter is gonna go back in just like so now. Make some room here. There we go. I'm going just like this, huh? So the starter is in now. So I'm gonna go ahead now, start tying it. I'll bring you guys back, KG. All right, so once you tie those bolts, you see that connector? This wire that is going right here, you tie that 12, it's a 12 knot. Once you tie that, then you put this bolt to cover it so that water don't go on it. You put up this bolt and cover that up there. It's hard sometimes for me to use my one hand. But you guys see what I'm trying to do, right? So I use that. Let me bring the light this side. Yep, so I'm trying to cover up this guy now. With the rubber boot. So once you do that, then you put this connector, with that connector, just like so. It's a one-way connector, so push that one in. I still have some time. I'm using one hand doing the. All right, let me bring you guys back up. All right, so when you look down here now, you see the connector is in. Let me show it. So the connector is in there. Everything looks beautifully well, and make sure this rubber boot is covering that, So that's pretty much it. This thing is broken, so I can't be able to put nothing there. So we're going to connect this battery now. We're ready to start that car. Okay. So as you guys can see, the car is running right now. We just started the car. So the takeaway in this video, if I were you, always make sure when you want to change your starter, put a good one there. That's just the takeaway. That's the bottom line. It will save you headache, money, and time. Like I said, please, if this video was useful, please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. I will see you on my next one. I was on, Atlantic on 120. Richmond Hill. Peace. I will see you on my next one. Booyah.